In my today's tutorial, you will learn how to make this beautiful clay lotus necklace. This is really unique and easy to make. Hi, I'm Shaburi from hookedloops.com. I make various kind of crafts tutorials in my channel. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications, and don't forget to like, share and comment. I have used the Fevicryl molded for the air dry clay. So we will spread a transparent sheet and we will use equal quantities of both the resin base and the hardener and mix them properly using a little bit of powder in order to avoid the stickiness, and mix them such that the mold is completely white and uniform, and it is more or less ready. We will take a cardboard cut into a shape of a leaf, of the lotus leaf of course, and we will take small portion of the clay and we will just spread it little bit, and we will just spread it on top of the cardboard in this manner in order to cover the surface of the cardboard with the clay. Is nearly covered with the clay. We will take small portion of water in the fingertip as I'm going to show you, and just press the surface and smoothen it in this manner. So we will smoothen the surface as well as the edges using just little bit of water. Just avoid the muddiness. So just take little quantity of water, okay? And when it's nearly smooth, just take any clay tool and give the leaf impressions. So the leaf is nearly ready. We will now make the flowers. At first we will make the inside bud. So we will take small quantity of clay and press it and give it a circular shape, and then we will take a refill or anything that's pointed and poke it in order to create some small holes on top of the surface, and then we will make the petal. So we are taking small quantity of the clay and then pressing it and giving it a shape like teardrop shape, and the petal is ready. So we will be making 3 layers of the flower. So for that we need a total of 18 petals, and now we will be sticking the flower portions one by one. For that we will be using the Fevicol. So just take the flower portions one by one. So I'm really sorry, little portion of this video got deleted. Portion I had stuck 2 layers of the petals with the gum and made 2 holes on the leaf. Now we are making a small branch like portion with the clay. So just roll it and flatten it little bit, and also make 2 holes on either side of it, and the branch will be ready. Okay, now we are going to add the 3rd layer of the petals. So just add the petals and slightly lift it and bend it as shown. So all the 3 layers have been stuck. Now we will be adding a small bud on the branch that we had made with the clay. Okay, so for that we will just take a sphere and slightly make it pointed, and then we will be sticking 2 sepals at the bottom of the bud of the lotus in this manner and stick them on the surface like this. Now we will stick the bud on the branch using the Fevicol. And then we will be attaching a stem to the bud. So for that we will roll out a small portion of the clay into thin wire shape, and then just stick them around the branch in the manner I'm showing you. Okay, so it's done. Now we will let our work to dry for at least 3 to 4 hours. So it's dried up. We will at first paint it completely white using the white colored acrylic paint, because the white color will act as a primer, and after it has dried up we will start painting on it based on our imagination. So color it accordingly, give it proper shading, and I will meet you at the end of the painting. Okay. Our painting is nearly done. We will just let it dry, and then we will add a layer of wood gloss on top of it to give it a glossy effect and color protect it. I've used the Dendrite Wood Shine Wood Gloss for this glossy effect and allowed it to dry. And then we will be attaching the branch to the leaf with a thread in this manner and tie a knot at the back side. And we will cut out extra portion of the thread. Similarly, we will attach the other side of the branch too. And now we will be passing the cord of the necklace through the holes of the branch. I have made the cord using the crochet technique. You will get numerous videos of crochet in my channel. Okay, so we have passed both the cords through the holes, and now we will decorate it using some thread beads. You will get the video on making these thread beads in my channel, so check them out. And we will do the same thing on the other side also. And finally, our beautiful clay necklace is ready. This is beautiful, unique, and the design is completely new, and it is my own design. However, you can always make this. I hope you like this tutorial and it was easy to follow. If you like this tutorial, then please hit the like button. Also comment in the comment section if you want to see any other kind of videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.